person mom of 3 who has to walk about 2.5 miles a day in all kinds of weather. The right rain gear for your stroller is essential. What I use and what I recommend as essential is a rain cover, a raincoat for mama. You gotta have some good rain boots too. If you want to splurge, not essential but could be really handy, is a stroller umbrella. So we got sent the My Blue Bumper Chute. It attaches to the stroller handle, and then the clear umbrella goes in and out of the attachment. What you need for a rainy day is this Manitou rain cover. We love it. Next up is the My Blue Bumper Chute, which is a stroller umbrella. This is the piece that attaches to your handlebar. It's universal. You put the handle in here and then tighten it up. Then you stick this in there and it's adjustable to your height. It's got a few adjustments so if you're taller or shorter. So let's put that on and we'll be ready to roll. They want snacks. We never leave home without our Munchie Mug snack cups. Won't. Love these. Yep. We're ready to roll. Look at this. Put this forward. Let's go. Girls say hi. Woo! Here we go. Woo! Now, to take it all off, it's also super fast because I don't think you can really fold your stroller with the cover on. So you're gonna have to take it off each time. But it's super fast, even to fold it once you get the trick. Watch this. Done! See, it literally takes 20 seconds. It's no big deal. Then you throw it under the stroller. And you're good to go. Wind, rain, snow, we go through it all. With the right stroller accessories, it's really not so bad. Right, girls? Yeah, what do you need in the rain?
I need rain.
Don't eat that.
Raincoat.
What are these? What are you eating in there?
Eating nuts.
Snacks? Can you guys say bye?
Bye.
Poopy. Anyway, be sure to like and comment what accessories you like for your stroller, and be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications from our family's videos. We do a lot of product and travel reviews. Follow us around the world. We go to Japan and Canada, Mexico, all kinds of fun places. Lots of stuff from these guys and their big brother. Anyway, we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.